If you're feeling stressed, anxiety, pause here. This 5-minute breath work you can do anywhere will reset your mind and your body instantly. No yoga mat, no quiet room, just your breath and your presence. See, in yogic text, they say if you want to slow the things around you, you slow down your breath. And that's what we get to focus on today with the box breathing, also known as equal breathing. 4, 4, 4, 4 breathing. And stick around until the end, and I'll reveal one mental switch to make this breath work way more powerful. Let's begin with 4, 4, 4 breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and then again hold the breath out for 4. So without any further ado, find a comfortable space, cross-legged, keeping your spine straight, chin parallel. So here we go. Inhaling for 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold the breath out 4. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Continue and follow the guided animation. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, 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 inhale, hold, exhale. Beautiful. Continue 3 more times in silence. Hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Amazing. Now come to sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Observe the changes going on in your body. slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing, my friends. This is just a 5-minute breathing exercise you can do anytime. Whenever you want to feel more productive, you can just take a little break from your work and just do this breathing exercise, and you can come back to your work, and you'll see that your work becomes more productive because now you're focused. And if you have ADHD or any attention deficit disorder, you can just try this. This works wonders. And if you like precise, timed animation, you can always download our app, The School of Breath, on your Play Store and Google Store. We have prepared 3 guided meditation audios to enhance your Kundalini awakening journey. With that, we also include a 21-session ebook that supports your Kundalini journey through daily reflections and tracks your spiritual progress. Link is available in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you might like to enroll in our comprehensive step-by-step Kundalini Awakening course. Join us on our Holistic Awakening membership that grants you access to the Kundalini course, along with all the breathwork courses and meditation courses we offer. If you got a little value from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of breathwork and meditation in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Duggal. Thank you for choosing the School of Breath.